I am making a croque monsieur. It's okay, this is a labor of love. Sometimes the perfection is found in its simplicity. Simple bread, simple cheese, some butter or mayo. But if you want to flex a little, and I occasionally want to flex the old culinary muscle, I'm working on one of the main mother sauces, equal parts butter and flour. Then we're gonna add some milk, and then we're gonna add some cheese. Any cheese that you like. It's gonna get rich and beautiful and creamy. This is a bechamel. All right, I'm gonna slide this over to the cooler side of my Blackstone. Now I'm gonna get started on the other element. I do have just a little bit of nicer bread. What I do wanna do is do a slightly thicker cut, and we're gonna toast both sides in unsalted butter. This butter is able to melt into a little pool because the griddle's giving us a nice flat surface to work with. We're getting restaurant-style texture at home. And look at that, just wow. I'm using ham and prosciutto because one is delicate and the other has a bit more weight to it. I don't want to toast the prosciutto, but I do want to toast the ham. I want elegant flavors on my croque monsieur, so I'm using Havarti and I'm using provolone, a little bit of that toasted ham, some prosciutto, and some arugula. Arugula is a really peppery, beautiful green. Now we're gonna put the toasted side down, throw a bit more butter on our Blackstone, and toast that on both sides. Now when we flip, we're gonna add some shredded Gruyere over the top and let that melt. This, my friends, is stunning. That creamy, gorgeous cheese sauce that we made. If you want to go one step further, fry an egg, hard and fast, elegance for days, my friends. In order to show you the goods, we got to go for it. So we're going to cut right down the middle, right down the egg.
Oh, geez.
And then the egg kind of becomes your naturally occurring sauce.
So
look at all the goods.
So it's a croque madame now because of the egg, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Croque monsieur is without the egg. Croque madame is with the egg because it represents her hat.
So how do we eat this with the nice hat?
I've never shared a croque monsieur in my life. You're lucky I like you.
Do you?
Well, most of the time. Wait till you try to do this cheese all the way. Cheese, man. We're outside of grilled cheese territory, I'll be honest. But
I will say,
decadent.
croque madame.
That's pretty good.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm pretty proud of that one.